Now, you issued Administrative Order number 11 on April 16, 2026, correct?
Yes, sir.
So, AO 11 was issued only 13 days prior your appearance before the mini trial.
So April 16, 29, minus, that's about it, 13 or 12 days, sir.
All right. And this was one of the documents that you submitted by virtue...
Your Honor.
I have no question, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor, but I just want to enter a continuing objection to the use of mini trial. It was never a mini trial. It is a clarificatory hearing.
Your Honor, just a short rejoinder. Isn't
You
it...
may proceed, counsel.
Isn't it, with all due respect, isn't it Representative Luistro who termed such proceeding as mini trial?
We just want to inquire of Representative Luistro.
May I respond, Your Honor?
The lead prosecutor may respond. Thereafter, we shall continue. Yes, what is your response, counsel?
The prosecution has been very consistent that what we did in the Committee on Justice of the House of Representatives is never a mini trial. It is a clarificatory hearing consistent to the House rules on impeachment and even consistent to the provisions of Article 11 of the Constitution.
The continuing objection of counsel, lead prosecutor, is duly noted in regard to the line and words used by counsel for respondent. Counsel for respondent may proceed.